Which of the following is an adverb? Option B, quickly. The baby is sleeping dash. Option D, quietly. The baby is sleeping quietly. Which sentence contains an adverb of frequency? Option A, she goes to the gym every day. Identify the adverb in the sentence, she almost won the race. Option C, almost. Choose the sentence with the correct adverb placement. Option D, he is always late. He ran very dash to catch the bus. Option C, quickly. He ran very quickly to catch the bus. Never is what type of adverb? Option C, adverb of frequency. How does he sing? He sings dash. Option A, well. How does he sing? He sings well. Which adverb shows degree? Option B, very. Choose the correct sentence. Option B, she reads fast. Identify the adverb in the sentence, he seldom eats junk food. Option D, seldom. She completed the work quite easily. What type of adverb is quite? Option C, adverb of degree. I will see you dash. Option A, soon. I will see you soon. Which sentence uses the adverb correctly? Option C. He drives dangerously. Choose the adverb of place. Option B. Here. He answered the question dash than anyone else. Option D. More quickly. He answered the question more quickly than anyone else. Which of the following is not an adverb? Option C. Intelligent. The cat crept dash across the room. Option B. Silently. The cat crept silently across the room. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. He seldom comes here. What kind of adverb is now? Option C. Adverb of time. She danced so dash that everyone applauded. Option B. Gracefully. She danced so gracefully that everyone applauded. They have never been to Japan. What type of adverb is never? Option D. Adverb of frequency. Choose the correct comparative adverb. Option A. Faster. He replied to the question dash than I expected. Option B. More politely. He replied to the question more politely than I expected. Identify the sentence with an adverb of time. Option C. We will go tomorrow. Which sentence contains an adverb of degree? Option B. She nearly won the race. Choose the correct adverb form of the adjective happy. Option A, happily. Which sentence contains two adverbs? Option D, she always eats fast. The two adverbs are always and fast. The teacher spoke dash so that all the students could understand. Option B, clearly, the teacher spoke clearly so that all the students could understand. I am dash sure that she will win the match. Option C, completely, I am completely sure that she will win the match.